Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you part 3 of our TV set, and also if you haven't already, please subscribe. I dearly need those subscribers, so please subscribe, and hopefully there will be more stuff coming out soon just for you. So off this so I can show you what we're going to be building. It's going to be this part. So let's get started. Alright, now I've got everything sorted for you to save you the time. So I'm just going to show you the pieces you'll need. You will need, just move that out of the way. You'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 1x1 snot pieces, 4 jumper plates of any color you like 4 random colors, 1 of these 4 snot pieces, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these 1x1 tile pieces, then 2 of these 6x4 pieces, and 4 1x3 pieces, and 2 1x6 pieces. So now let's move that out of the way so that we can get started. So first, you're gonna need this 6x4, and then you're gonna need these pieces, and you're gonna stick them on the bottom. This on each corner of the plate. And then lay it flat. Next, we're gonna need these snot pieces, and we're gonna just stick them on to the plate that we have. And let's put this piece on top, like that, and then randomly arrange our pieces. This won't be the same as in the title picture, just so you know, because it's randomly created like this, and then also randomly place these to a color that doesn't match it. I'm just doing this across like that. Now that we have that, let's work on the sides. So 1, 2, and then on this side 1, 2, then these 2 1x6s, 1, 2, and then we put the top on like this. Ta-da! And you can arrange it in any combination you like. So it doesn't have to be like this. It can be like this here, that there, that here, everywhere. As long as you follow the basic design. So now let's get the rest of the TV stand and pop it on. And we're pretty much done with our entire TV set. Now that I've showed you how to build everything in this set. I hope you enjoyed this video and this series. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!